To manage your notifications in the Rednote app, open the app. Then at the bottom, you're going to see 4 different icons. The first icon is the home icon. The second icon is the video icon. The third icon is the messages icon. And the fourth icon is the me icon. Tap on the me icon. When it opens up at the top, you're going to see the settings icon. Tap on it. Now on the settings icon, go ahead and tap on notification settings. And when it opens up, you're going to see the option engagement notification. So here you will see likes and collects, new followers, comments, mention. So here you decide to turn on or turn off the notification you are interested in. So if you want to turn on the likes and comments, you simply turn it on, or if you want to turn it off, you tap on it and it's going to turn gray. If you also want to turn on the notification for new followers, that is when you get a new follower, you turn it on and it will be red. If you want to turn on notification for comments, when people comment on your posts, you're going to get notified, turn it on. And if you also want to get notified if people mention you in their post, you turn it on. Now, if it is turned on, it's going to be red in color, but if it is turned off, it's going to be gray. So as you can see, the likes option is turned off, so it's gray. Let's say I want to turn it on, I will tap on it and it's now red. So this is where you control the types of notifications you receive. And then you come down again, you're going to see chat notifications. So here you decide what kind of notifications do you want to receive when it has to do with chats. Let's tap on it. Now it is currently on private, group chat and strangers. Do you want to be notified if you get a private chat? Then you turn it on. Do you want to be notified for a group chat, and when a stranger chats you up, simply tap on it and toggle it on. So it's all on, and I would leave it like that. Let's go back again, and then here you have the option to turn on notifications based on content. You have the option to follow an author for updates. You also have the option to turn on notification for live reminders. You have the option to turn on content recommendation, and you have the option to turn on recommended users. So you can simply tap on each and turn it off or turn it on. So I think I will turn this off. Let's go back again. Live reminders, I will also turn it off. I don't want much distractions. Content recommendation, I would turn it on, so I leave it on now. So this option, you have to choose either all or interesting contents only, or community hotspot only, or not allowed. So I'll leave it on all. And then recommended users, you can also tap on it to turn it on. What type of user recommendations do you want to receive? Is it for all, or for only people you may know, or for only people you may like, or entirely turn it off? So it's your choice. You decide the option you want to go for, and then when you're done, you don't even need to save it because it will automatically be set up. If you got value in this video, do also like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.